Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to submit IRS Form 8802 step by step in a simple and clear way. So first, let's quickly go over what this form is and why it matters. So Form 8802 is used to request a U.S. residency certification. So this document is often needed if you're claiming tax treaty benefits in another country. So in short, it helps prove that you're a U.S. tax resident. Now let's go through the form together. So start at the top of the section. So enter the applicant's name and U.S. taxpayer identification number. If this is a joint request, you'll also include the spouse's name and taxpayer ID. Make sure that everything matches your tax records exactly. Next, move down to the address section. So in here, you'll enter the address for the year you're requesting the certification. And be sure to include the full address, including zip code or postal code if needed. After that, look at the mailing section. So this is where you can enter a different address if you want the certification sent somewhere else. If not, you can leave it as is. Then go to the applicant type section. You'll need to check the box that best describes you, such as individual, corporation, partnership, or trust. Only select what applies. On the next part, you'll answer whether you're required to file a U.S. tax return. If yes, check the correct form type. If not, you may need to provide an explanation based on your situation. And then continue to the calendar year section. Enter the year or years you're requesting the certification for, and make sure that this matches your tax filing period. Next is the purpose of certification. To choose the reason, such as claiming tax treaty benefits, and provide any extra details if needed. Then you'll see a space for additional statement. Only fill this in if there's extra information required, and at the bottom, don't forget to sign and date the form. If it's a joint application, both individuals must sign. And finally, review everything carefully before submitting. Make sure all the information is correct and complete to avoid any delays. And that is it. That is how you fill out and submit IRS Form 8802 step by step. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.